Entiandra me catch them say Ghana Blasters match no Colombia e boy na je say ye free tournament ni mo no. As so for them come say by na enna no e dey be discuss e come say by we say come media so a Avraham Ben Moshe one Saliman e Ghana fo ni bi abe blast papa Steve Adom Kyei Duah Telvin Sowa na ye ga ezimo any asofo no dem come say by ye concern World Cup we no. O ma be come adwen e dey akire Ghana aba fie am asofo no etu atwi I Penyah block me the mess I say any demo. Over like video now that my brother subscribe button some back click verification and connect latest update now better the wide the mama e comment section. Oba so na share first any be ahwe. Make am phone nala money send app any the amount. Who US who UK so person send ka ediko fee. For nala app no e send ka eco fee. The obecho $20. O Sunday a very fast transaction. O Sunday ya na e dru fee. In fact, enya fo na be frɛ ebusa sika na be dru na yam hyehyɛ dem. O Sunday ya na akodru fee. Ni asa che $20 for free. Now let's go to the story. Abusia World Cup 2026 edition cost na Ghana na ye Kobe, but unfortunately no enra homache ni Colombia go si akan ema Colombia fo kotwa Ghana 1-0 ema this year speak to you now the nyam yard mo china Monday na say early morning na Ghana Blasters no o ma beduru Kuteka International Airport we say o mo ede o mu kukuro mu kaka abafie na yakọ tournament ni mo no enkom she bebre na ba ya beka January 2025 ana prophet na jekezi ga beka say Ghana World Cup never qualify ako.
And I'm happy Honorable is here, Sports Minister is here. The Lord told me that the Ghana Blasters will go to World Cup. The Ghana Blasters will go for the World Cup. That is prophecy number 6. The Ghana Blasters. The Ghana Blasters. You can come. The Ghana Blasters. I saw the Ghana Blasters. I saw them in the next World Cup.
And you call ya go do 31st December 2025 chrono. Obeka sa Ghana World Cup no. We will perform better. They go through finals.
The Black Stars of Ghana.
What Black Stars of Ghana?
Last year or last 2 years. The Lord made you to say they will qualify. And I've seen that they will go in the finals. Listen. Listen. The Black Stars will do extremely well.
Black Stars no
at the finals. I saw it. The Black Stars of Ghana.
Black Stars of Ghana
will do extremely well at the finals. I didn't.
And that finals no be okay no. Now I focus. Hey, prophet. Who say wa kaka ni mo do we yo na Adom Moshe. Hey, also hey. Finals if I asem na okay. And also tell them say, oh. And yes, sir, me can finals. I mean, can't say finals. Name no. It could be quarterfinals and it could be semi-finals.
May not have that grace, so it's different nature. I respect it. I love him. I'm using this respectable esteem platform to encourage him, encourage all his people, all his sponsors, that they should step into another nation. It's doable. It's possible. They can do it.
My time is up. What do you see about me now?
You. Oh, you do.
You don't want to say it.
Oh, no, I've not seen anything about you. One thing about me, you know that when you're close to me, I hardly see things. Yeah. When you're close to me, like you're my friend, I hardly
see. Even when you see, you don't see. Because we come and attack you to speak and you don't see.
I will not do it.
But what do you see things about this?
Oh, like, I don't know. It's that I give by the inspiration of the Most High.
It's the
what I have seen is that the national security should tighten the security of Ghana.
Okay.
And we should tighten the security around our president. And the year will be super good here.
My time is about the World Cup. You mentioned that we are
going
to the World Cup.
Yeah, Ghana will do well at the finals. Yes. I didn't say Ghana will do well at the finals of the World Cup. I did linguistics. I speak good English. Yes. So if I say the final, if you qualify to the World Cup, it's all the finals. Unless you tell me it's not adult, it's otherwise.
The finals of football in the World Cup.
Quarterfinals. Semi-finals.
Okay.
The finals.
Okay.
It is called in English.
Okay, so
if you qualify to the World Cup,
final.
no, that's your way. What I'm saying that. So let me say fundamental English.
Yes, please.
So the basic English, the regular person will say Ghana has gone to the World Cup and Ghana will do well. But I did not say it that way. I said Ghana at the finals will do well. That's what I mean. I didn't say the final of the World Cup. I pray we should get there. I pray we should get there. But that wasn't what I was saying.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So okay, yati because that same time na prophet Telvin Sowa so abeka say World Cup na Ghana yakọ no or can say friendly matches in there yem perform better but World Cup no ye be perform na ye be kwa akoduru quarter finals e mo can say Ghana no ye be kwa akoduru third and fourth. If you go about third and fourth, it's a bit.
And whatever they are looking for, it will shock them. Ghana, you will be very happy. We will lose the friendlies, but then when we enter the World Cup, you see there's a different world altogether as the Lord lives. Right now, the clarity of what I saw was the quarterfinals. We were fighting over third and fourth.
Hey, with this performance?
Yes.
I'm a prophet, Adom Kyei Duah, Esbe Kasai. Abra, the sports minister, Honorable Kofi Adams, Eko P1 as well. Okay, I said Ghana, no. The BC da, and I call the Aba Ghana, the BC Africa da, and you call the Edia, but I didn't say Ghana Hanum. The BC da, I say World Cup in Edeba, and I say you qualify Edia semi-finals, the BC da, because 2010, Anaka Ghana, and Kebe, Homo Dan Kebe, the first African country to qualify to the semi-final because 2010 to me qualify from the group stage. I call 32 groups no. As about 16 group, you qualify for 16 group. 16 group no, and I call quarterfinals. The quarterfinals no, that's any Uruguay. Is in case me share quarterfinals no one no dia, and ke call semi-finals, but quarterfinals level no, and as well as as madam boy as well as I chair no, penalties omo ye film. I say ye intimate do semi-final. I say ya got quarterfinals pain. That's I say. Quarterfinals, the African countries don't know how could be that, but semi-finals there, African nation be a enkobida. And tell you that I say, the BC Africa had that, and a Ghana call ye Eddie Albert. This will be any year, semi-finals, and now say hopefully, ye quadri cup in area Befi. Emma, there was a follow-up prophecy from on one Casabeka said, World Cup, so I think I said, Akonyano, Abesi Ghana. In 2030, so no, the same thing, Akonyano or Ghana, ye call quadri cup in area.
World Cup for best by year, baby.
2030.
30.
Yes, sir.
2030. Monte.
Nebuatwe.
Ghana.
Ghana.
Sama Kachira Moshe.
Baby Kanyake.
Akonyano.
Say.
Ghana na Abesi.
Yes. Ghana, Bama.
Barabusia, only when you idea dance as a tournament in your freedom. Now you know, so for no comes to do by and one. Me, if you are na Ghana, you have a ball no a homache, na draw homache me that and run. Once if you are na Egypt and Australia ever match, and Argentina and Cape ever match, and Ghana and Colombia ever match. We are 2 p.m. and I remember the score line ever. I say Egypt and Australia match no. A 1-1 draw game. Now call penalties. In the penalties, no. Na Egypt, Australia, Ephraim. Area 2:22, area 2:23 p.m. And I made this call line. We ever told me WhatsApp group in me. Penyah block me WhatsApp group. Me Busobio group in me. Area 2 p.m. Friday, area 2. And I'm this call line. We at 2. And you made 6. And almost start say ball no. Egypt, any Australia, almost start say ball no. Boya could be 9 to 10 one more. Score line I made the buy no. Say a 1-1 draw game. No cover penalties. Na Australia, na Egypt. Arena no. Sa pepe and a coy. It is America say me odi4. And I'm here there. Me no odi4. It tells you say ball ye bono. Nyame enya prophecy asem. Enya unkom she. Say America say me so me share score line no. Because me share score line for Egypt. Say say na America say me share score line. No. Enya unkom she asem. Enya unkom she. Emma Mesakra ka say Ghana ne Colombia. Colombia be she Ghana 2-0. Be kana waka say Ghana be rem say mo ho ye mesele. Colombia be she Ghana. Be kan ye. Me ma 2-0. Colombia enya offside goal na refugee na nkomu she Ghana 2-0 straight. Senya offside goal na nkomu twa Ghana 2-0 straight. Make us Argentina be she Cape 3-0. Argentina share 3, but luckily for Cape omu share 2. Emma already asia me the condition to say so peso twa bet ya. Score na me da ba nyina no. E bia mfeli, but opa enfa goals no fa win no. E bia no be feli. Me kana on for yede. Enwumre game na score am the be ni sa pepe ne ba ye, but me no D4. Me no D4, but omo mu claim say omo ya D4 no. Omo come shakwa to fa ho. Na wo church members e ba be defend. En come show say nyina busu am eno na Avraham Ben Moshe. Any Salima mo, any Ghana phone be blàst prophet. No, na we ni nsem a omo ka kire omo.
Ba cho bi antro adumo.
God have mercy upon us.
Yes, starting in kakra. Obiantro adumo. Oh, yeah, suffer. Now, person we need munyam. Now, wa sorry. Sorry, no. It politics prediction. Any football prediction. Who free. Ya papa Adom Kyei Duah. With all due respect, Ghana for our mentality be. Ghana for your respect eman penyimfo. Especially say Christopher who papa penyimu te say wo. No mu say wo abodwese na ye white ya. Na wo dressing na. Omo adwin say eye Moses e de gina ho. Omo adwin say wo ye Elijah. Enti wo buod mouth tie. You who Adom Kyei Duah ofi say Moses, ofi say ye Elijah. And so we respect him out. Dada, patch of football commission and shade you. What it? Dada, why? Who the other crowd? Anti that, Miss Row. Why? And your view. Why? Why? You're timing to win him. Now the one who coffee for Famua when him beguasi. Da, when you need dear pan and a woman. Why?
Uncle, who more bronze?
Oh, yes.
Papa, I can't see a question. It ain't you won't fear him.
Amen.
I won't question them.
Oh, yes.
Amen.
Nanka, be a namoso. Not the one to wound be at my bed you went.
Yanti Adom Kyei Duah bompai ka kire Nyankopon se Nyankopon moa na World Cup no ma Ghana mfrim said ye be nanka obi wo ho na onji nyame nni a wafa World Cup ne so na wabegi nyame edi. Me papa Adom Kyei Duah nti Ghana kuraje World Cup na emfaso ben e na de bebere o man Ghana. Dada eya mompre said ye mbebu no benye adwuma aye. Why? Enye World Cup we ye be wini. Da, why? Da, ensuo yiri, ensuo kuminipa. Eno de monsre Nyankopon se monsre Nyankopon. Oma na bofo en stop nsuo no. Me se ye gini a ye nyina be wuwu o. Ye video bi abere bi ka se Ghana ye nteki time a kuro ni nyina be yiri man ka nkyere mo. Me ka se ye need drainage system the whole country. Ye ni proper drainage system. Kwame Nkrumah enanke wo ye bi ukotema na akote ya Adom Kyei Duah say bia World Cup ni nti ebinom ebeba be som Yesu na Israel for kura World Cup no omo qualify odie we jimi kura no odie we ye kwasia kakra no o free Israel Nyankopon say Israel Nyankopon meta wu achi na koje World Cup Abra Israel for no qualify from one qualify. Se me catch ra se bibini edimia. Untiase. Ye nwu mbo ye nyina, ye nwu musicians ne boy ye nyina ye prayers yo. Anamuni. Kofi Kenata anyom no ye prayers. Na si dia ne ye prayers. Ti enwum ni ye, ni nyina ye mpaibo. By fire, by force, cap engine. Okay. And training and your preparation. By fire, by force, yanko. Seven. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7 It's a miracle. It's a miracle. It's a miracle. Ah, it's a miracle. Me say miracle pet. Never to the aquarium. Me can't want it. Say your miracle. You really much about copra. Never come to know. Yeah, Nyamebaya Republic. Dear Radia can a bebem. Now a radi family boy want to them. 1 hour they were who to a radi so na dear you let born a real 1 year. Said ye David any go lap to 10 times, you know. Me say, Crowway, Bradin and Copper. Me say, a empire and come share and a Ghana, ye decoy him. Men I make ya preparation. Debbie. Hey, share. Debbie, Ghana. O my yan to ye, dear who to a radi so. Share. O my ye need drainage system. They do rainy season. Na ensu ofe nipa afi ni efre Jesus. Ote. When we say ensu na yiri ye ano ye dene ensu ni di enipa akono na manfo tere awo ewrade awo Yesu Mrs. Samuel Jimmy amobehu when Jesus we save accident da when Jesus ya ensu ofe nipa we save ne da me mo na madane bonsamo. Heaven help those who help themselves. What it? What are Colombia, dear Ghana? Match a cry, you winning 1-0. Ball possession, there you say. Your match now, you winning 1-0, no? Ghana ball possession. Countryman song go Casabunti all. Countryman song go say, and ya advancing, no, a coin ben, I will fast so advancing. Manchester, you ball, you in a ball possession. Ghana, you low. Cape Verde. And your friend say you build the team. Cape Verde. Egypt. And your friend say you build the team. Morocco. And your friend say you build the team. Senegal. Omo kwasi ade kakra no mo ye. Omo fantastic team. Senegal and kwasi ade no mo ye. Aba team sanketu abena. FIFA. I will speak English. But this year FIFA on Africa how many slots? 9. On my catalyst. On only the no ebemu loto no eto 1 eto 2. Ya can net born and shame boy. Pastor Eric Uche, right from the beginning of blasters way because say they will lose all their matches. And a Ghana war winning, yeah. Your ball draw. Fashionistas. I hear Pastor Uche, one way fashionista. King of a graduate movement. Chris Wadra Danfu. And saying, no open entry, I want to Grace Water Simon. Graduates who have his day, we a street boy, and what was another street boy, and a Munyama street in Yama. The graduates who best support Pastor Uche say, who said GF for the pictures away. How? Onyankopon si gumani mwase. I can tell you for a fact to say, in the days, now God revealing and Yamacha prophets, there were not one of them, and say, yeah. So for Mohu de Onyankopon si gumani mwase. Mohu, how Onyankopon si gumani mwase. Mohu kwa kubonzam. Why a prophet of somebody? Now so shall no ne dear no. What to the lot to never, no, they say, no, that's what I beg a table. Or no pay free the other side, no. But you guys are confused. You don't know which one you belong to.
Obetwa tire wadwen e dia mame e wo comment section. Hi Penyah Block Media. Accra.